How is the Hubbard Management System used in business? Have you ever wondered how some businesses seem to run like a well-oiled machine? One reason could be the Hubbard Management System, developed by L. Ron Hubbard. This system is not just for Scientology organizations. It has found a place in various businesses around the world. So, how exactly does it work in a business setting? At its heart, the Hubbard Management System aims to make organizations more efficient. It does this by clarifying roles and improving communication among team members. L. Ron Hubbard spent over 30 years researching how groups operate, which led to a detailed set of administrative principles. One of the key components of this system is the organizing board, often referred to as the org board. This diagram outlines all the essential functions needed for a group to succeed. It acts like a map, showing where each person fits in and what their responsibilities are. By using the org board, businesses can avoid confusion and ensure that every necessary function is covered. The Hubbard Management System also emphasizes how individuals work best within a group. It provides tools and methods for people to understand their roles clearly. This helps improve communication and allows teams to solve problems more effectively. As a result, productivity tends to increase, leading to a more successful organization. In practice, businesses implement the Hubbard Management System to streamline their operations. Consultants trained in this system often begin by creating an org board to clarify the structure of the organization. From there, they apply Hubbard's administrative policies to tackle specific challenges. These policies cover various areas, including planning, communication, personnel management, and quality control. The Hubbard Management System is taught at Hubbard Colleges of Administration, where many learn how to apply these principles. Thousands of businesses worldwide have adopted this system, claiming its principles can be adapted to any organization, regardless of size or industry. From the perspective of Scientology, the Hubbard Management System is an extension of L. Ron Hubbard's broader work on human behavior and group dynamics. It is viewed as a tool for improving not only business performance but also the quality of life for individuals within those organizations. This system aims to bring order and efficiency to any group activity, aligning with the goals of Scientology to improve conditions for individuals and society. So, if you are looking for ways to enhance your business operations, the Hubbard Management System may be worth considering. Its structured approach could help clarify roles, improve teamwork, and ultimately lead to better results.